just mind my business.
I don't know nobody on my level, dripping stars like a boss, custom rockin' heavy metal.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia aka Ali, and today I want to take this look and change it into this look. So I'll be showing you this look, and then I'll be switching it over into an alternative evil goth look. Well, if you would like to see me transform this look into this look, please keep watching. Okay. So already did my eyelashes. If you would like to see how I do my eyelashes, stick them underneath. I'll link the video up here. Yeah, so my lashes are already done, my eyebrows done. Soon, next video, probably I'll do a eyebrow tutorial, how I do my eyebrows. And yeah, so my lashes are already done. Carve up my eyebrows with my phone Elegant concealer, and I set up with some Sacha powder. And now I'm going into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to create this very soft look. Yeah, so this looks very basic, so very light brown, spread out a little. Take this color here and put that in my eyebrow bone. Take this color and put that on the lid here. Okay, so let's look like this with the eyeshadow. And this girl has like little baby wings. So I'm gonna do 2 little baby wings with liquid liner. Some dark cocoa area concealer and clean up your wing a little bit. I just went on the concealer. So now I went on to my face makeup. Very easy. I just using my LA Pro Prep High Definition Smooth Primer. It's not really expensive, it's cheap. So. And I'm gonna set the primer with some buttercup powder so it will last all day. Or however long I'm leaving on this makeup for. So now I'm gonna take my dark cocoa concealer and I'm gonna put them on the eyes and on top of my eyebrows because the font concealer too light, so I'm gonna like darken it with the
come here, take your place. Keep my love to decay.
So now I'm going in with my Sacha cream to powder foundation. I just take any sponge I'm inside of that and I just gonna paint all over my face. gonna set that with my Sacha with a powder, setting powder.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. Know you're nasty. Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
I'm going to put on my caramel brown powder.
You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. Let's get
I want some black eyeliner.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We are no longer the self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing.
Oh, she looked like she had on some kind of lip gloss. So, I'm gonna take some of the same brown eyeshadow I have on my eyes and put it on my lips. Serious trick on TikTok. Yeah, they put eyeshadow on the lips and then they put clear lip gloss on the lips.
I've been out of space. I let little shawty come and take your place. Couldn't keep my love, too excited. Yeah. Wallpaper plane, I'm the wallpaper plane. Yeah. Wonder why your girl always wonder why your girl, yeah.
So this is the look. So there's this soft look, the very soft brown easy look. So now I'm going to turn it into the alt grungy look, right? Okay, so the video cut off without me knowing, and I had already started to do the makeup. So all I did was make the wings bigger and adjust them in a corner thing, right? In a corner liner, right? So I'm going to take my mascara, any mascara I can use. I'm just going to like dot it all around here, just smudge it up.
I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We are no longer the self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. Let's get
some liquid liner and draw some little eyelashes down the sides of my eye.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We are no longer the self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty. Yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party. Yeah, I need all y'all. come here and take your place.
Okay, so I wanted to put on black lipstick, but I don't have black lipstick, so we're playing on this Absolute New York satin lip color, Maxi. I don't know the color of it, but it's kind of purple, so I'm putting that.
I'm sliding. I'm with my women, I'm sliding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear.
So this is how I get the alternative grungy makeup from the regular makeup. Just mascara, liquid liner, and dark lipstick, and boom. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.